Hi, here's a science experiment. It's probably the quickest science experiment that I've ever done. You get a Ziploc baggie, fill it with water, as many pencils as you want. Very, very sharp pencils. I just sharpened these at home. Just grab these. See how sharp they are?
Mm-hmm.
Very pointy.
Mm-hmm.
And then all you do, I will start with my favorite color. And you just stab it, parents, quickly. If you go too slow, it won't work, but watch this. And here's the thing, boys and girls. If I put this pencil through the baggie all with water, is it just going to come flooding out? What's going to happen with that water? Watch. Let's see. Here it goes.
Oh!
Where's the water? Okay, I'm going to try another one. Here goes another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Whoop!
Uh-oh, that one's leaking a little bit.
Wonder
Here's
why.
another one. Try this pink one.
Just the yellow one seems
Just
to be
the yellow
leaking.
one. And one more, boys and girls. This is how you do it. Let's see. I'm going to go below. Whoop! Only that one. Boys and girls, is that so fun?
Maybe do it outside.
Do it outside. I'm going to put this right into the sink and pull all the pencils out. But that's your science experiment for the day.
Fun.
That's not coming. Water's not coming out the back. Not too much.
Interesting.
Outside project.
Yeah.
Bye. Have a good day.